Good afternoon, everyone. So today I'm going to talk about alfalfa. So if you've seen alfalfa before or have any experience with it, they usually use it to feed livestock, horses, cows, sheep, you name it. But the reason why I actually bought it was, three reasons. One, when I was looking into it, I guess it attracts bees, or I don't say wildlife, but beneficial insects. And also the roots, they go in pretty deep into the soil, so they need very little care. So that's reason number one. Reason number two was you can actually make a drink out of it. Blend it, and enjoy it. And I guess alfalfa is healthy for you. I mean, it is a plant, so it's good for you. And then lastly, I used to have a bunch of turkeys and a bunch of chickens. So what I did, I bought a lot of seeds from the feed place where I got my chicken food, and I literally just threw them everywhere. So the only ones that pretty much survived were the ones that were along the fence, because I guess the chickens couldn't really get to them. So they were able to survive. So now I only have two plants. One's right here, the other one's over there by the dragon fruit. But pretty much it's a pretty hardy plant. I don't remember if it loses all its leaves in the wintertime, but as far as I can remember, it's always been green. It always has some sort of growth on it, or leaves on it. So this is the trunk. I dug back a bit so you can see that's the trunk of the alfalfa plant. You can see right here where I had cut it before. It's just a little stump, but it is a strong plant. It will survive, it will keep going. So this, it's right here. So let's see. Oh yeah, so flowers, they're beautiful, they're pretty cool. And then as for the seeds, I think I've seen birds like eating or pecking at the seeds or the flowers. But when it is time for the flowers to turn into seeds, let me just break this off real quick. Give me a second, okay?
Okay.
Thank you, baby. All right. It gives these curly looking things. I guess they're the pods for the seeds. And if you were to open these up or crack them open, you will find the seeds inside.
Oh
yeah, it's an animal. So there it is. So seeds are everywhere. They are everywhere. So if I was to dry these up, I can keep replanting these in different spots. But this plant, I don't know how long it's been there for, but it has survived. And that's it. That's, general intro, I guess, on my alfalfa plant. Thanks, everyone.